My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Tesla Model X. This vehicle has done just under 30,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature. And if we click on the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we have our controls, pedals and steering, suspension, charging, autopilot, safety, service, and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. If we click here, we can access our parking camera, and if we press here, we can access our climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that we have 6 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.